Moving on to question number 9. Q is equidistance from the sides. Find the value of x. So if Q is the same distance from the sides, that means SQ is the angle bisector, which means 5x plus 15 is equal to 27. And we've got an equation to solve, and we end up with x is 3. Number 10 talks about a scale drawing. First thing I'm going to do is go ahead and find this length in terms of feet, and then we'll go talk about the miles. So we're going to use Pythagorean's theorem. So that's the hypotenuse squared is equal to the sum of the legs squared. So we get x squared equals 169. I take the square root and I get x is 13, but I need to know how many miles that is. So we've got 2 feet is equal to 3 miles. And here we have 13 feet, and we're looking for the number of miles. So we're going to cross multiply. 2x is equal to 39. And we're going to go ahead and divide. And we end up with 19.5 miles. Alright, moving on to number 11, we have a congruency statement, which means all of the corresponding sides are congruent as well as the angles. We have angle S is congruent to angle K, angle T is congruent to angle L, and angle U is congruent to angle M. Same side, we also have all the sides are congruent. So we have ST is congruent to KL, we have TU is congruent to LM, and then we have SU is congruent to KM. Alright, the next one we have is a construction. We're trying to construct a line that's perpendicular to BC through point K. So roughly we're looking for a line like this. So I'm going to put my pivot point on point X, and I'm going to make an arc that intersects that line in 2 places. Okay, then I'm going to take my pivot point and place it where they intersect, and I'm going to have them intersect out here one more time. So go down here, so my line's in here. I'm just not going to draw all the way down since it's kind of cutting into the next problem. And there's a line. It's perpendicular to BC through point X. 13, it says we're listing all corresponding angles along transversal C. So I'm going to kind of darken my parallel lines, and that's the only transversal that I'm looking at. So even though they have angles over here, they just want those along transversal C. So I see angle 2 and angle 10, angle 1, angle 9, angle 6, angle 11, angle 3, and angle 12. So again, they're both on the same side of the transversal and the same position with respect to the parallel lines. Alright, moving on to 14, we have a proof, so let's go ahead and start setting that up. So number 1, we have the given, and that is V is the midpoint, and it's the midpoint of both segments. So that means we can state that UV is congruent to VX. At the same time, we can state that TV is congruent to VW, and that is a definition of the midpoint. So I've used up all the given, so I'm looking for something I can get on my own, which is the vertical angle. So angle UVT is congruent to angle WVX, and that is vertical angles congruent. So number 4, I can state triangle UVT is congruent to XVW. Our reason is side angle side. And finally, we can state angle on to 15. We're trying to write an equation. So we're going to start with recognizing the slope of this one is 3. If I'm looking for one that's perpendicular, it has to have the opposite reciprocal slope. I'm going to go start plugging in a point slope formula. Let me write that down for you. So y minus 12, negative 1/3, x minus a negative 6, eventually becomes a positive 6. So let's go ahead and distribute that negative 1/3. And then finally, we're going to add the 12 over. Alright, 16. It says we have two similar triangles that have bases 3 and 8, and we have to find eventually the area of the largest. Well, if their similarity ratio is 3 to 8, to get to their area ratio, we need to square that. So the area of their ratios would be 9 over 64. The smaller triangle has an area of 54, and we're looking for the larger. Well, 9 times 6 gives you 54, so you can do the same thing in the denominator. 54 times 6, and we should end up with a large area of 384 meters squared. If you don't want to do it that way, we can always cross multiply. 9x equals 64 times 54. And when you divide, you should